For creating an assignment, you go to your Google Classroom. Select the class for which you want to create the assignment. Go to class work. Here I will be using assignment for creation of the attendance, for marking the attendance of my students. So what I have to do is I'll create a question. Let's say it is attendance for 1st July, and I write here mark yes if you are attending the class. You can ask any question to the student. For example, you can say mark present, or you can say select present if you are attending the today's lecture, and you can give the topic also. For example, I write here the topic. This is my topic for which I want to take the attendance, and this is the day. So instead of short answer, I have to select multiple choice. And here just give one option, that is yes or present. And the next setting is, suppose I am taking 2 classes in a particular day. For example, on 1st July I am taking 2 classes. So I will select these 2 classes. For example, these are the 2 classes for which I want to ask this question. After that, because attendance does not carry any mark, so you can keep it as ungraded, or you can simply assign 1 mark to it, because after the end of the month it will be easier for me to calculate the total attendance. Next, on the due date, I can set it as 1st July, and for example, any time which is suitable for me. For example, before 12:40 the students should mark the attendance. Or suppose my class starts at 9, I can say it as 9:15. So attendance schedule time will be 9:15. That means within the 15 minutes of joining the class, students have to mark their attendance. Now this is the setting that I have done, and in the topic I will select the attendance. After doing all these settings and asking the question appropriately, I will select ask. And here you can see attendance for 1st July 2020 and the topic that I mentioned, and this is the attendance for 2 days which I have already taken. For example, I am clicking on the attendance of 29th June. So I can see 12 were present and 0 absent. In the same manner, I can see here 14 present and 5 assigned, means 5 students did not take the class. I can click on it to get a detailed view. Here I can see these are the 14 students who were present in my class, and these are the 5 students who did not join my class. So in this manner I can see out of total 19 students, 14 attended my class on 30th June and 5 were absent from my class on 30th June. After this, if I want to download, suppose I want to download this attendance, then I have to give mark to all the students and after giving the mark, I will return work to 14 students. Return. And then you can download this file, download these grades as CSV. Here I can see wherever grade 1 is marked, that means these students were present, and where grade is missing, that means these students were absent from my class. If you do not want to do the grading, even then it's okay, because you will be able to see how many students were present and how many students were absent. For example, I am showing you another case. I have already graded them. I have given the grade. If you do not want to grade the students, for that I am showing you. You go to classwork, and suppose I am creating a new question for 2nd July attendance. I can say reuse post I want to reuse this post. Reuse. And I just need to change this date here and the topic. Rest of the settings will remain same except this, that I'll do this as ungraded assignment. Means I will not give any mark for attending it. And suppose I assign the time as 10:15. Ask. And here you can see this post is created. 19 have been assigned. All 19 are coming here, and these are all in the assigned section. That means I have not received any response from these students. So in this manner you can easily keep a track of day-wise attendance for your class. That's it. Thank you.